Sasagot kami. We will answer.
Submit your affidavit. Ano pong mangyayari, sir?
Sasagot kami. We will answer.
Sir, ano po yung lalamanin nitong sagot?
Sasagutin namin yung bawat issue na nilabas doon. Na everything that happened was within legal bounds. Lahat naman yan according to law. Kaya, it's actually the complaint itself. Parang na-weirdan ako kasi hindi naman committee report eh. But why the haste? Why not wait for the committee report? Kasi that's a committee investigation. What was contained was the chairman's report. So that's a little strange. But anyway, we'll answer it.
But sir, do you think this will be enough for Senator Ivy once na you submit your explanation?
Pagtapos ng election, tama na yun. Kasi parang in-aid lang yan. Parang gusto lang talaga makakuha ng publicity tungkol sa election. Ano tayo magagawa?
Sir, yung kay Pulong po, meron din daw pong complaint na denial po sa parang
Grave threats.
Yeah, I was told about it.
There's also a CCTV, but Pulong is saying na baka daw fake po yung video.
No, we will look into it. We'll let the prosecutors handle it. Hindi naman ako nagdidictate ng gagawin ng prosecutor. We give enough leeway and very transparent ang process dito sa DOJ.